welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small but very exciting video. I'm going to unbox Louis Vuitton item that is really hard to find, and this is key pouch. So I was looking for this item quite a while now, and it's always sold out online. You always can see only call for availability, and you almost cannot find it in the stores. And so basically I'm talking about Monogram, Damier Ebene, and Damier Jour. So all these free patterns, they always sold out, and always Monogram ones, unfortunately. So, and I looked some different videos on YouTube, and they say like put like all the stuff in your wish list and watch time to time. So this is what I'm doing now. I added all of them, all the items I'm looking at Louis, but they always sold out in this wish list, and I check time to time. For example, I was able to get this one this way. I checked online like in the middle of the night, about like 2-3 a.m., and it was available only in Damier Ebene. So I pressed added to the bag right away and order it like at the same time. For example, today I saw online, but it was like for some minutes literally, Monogram one available, but then I press it, add to my bag. It says unfortunately this item is sold out, so call for availability. Okay, so I'm still continuing to watch online for other items, but I'm so happy that I was able to get this one. I paid online and pick up in store, and it goes with this classic bag from Louis Vuitton as usually, and they have like this little envelope and with some another envelope inside. I guess it's just for some notes and for maybe some gift note and stuff like that. So this is it, and this is small envelope, just plain white. I guess just put the name and some wish on this piece of paper. So okay, and this is their bag, little bag that opens like slides like this, super cute, and this just slides like this, and this is it. I so much like all these Louis Vuitton items. They always come in this adorable dust bag. They're super nice like when you touch it, and they always have like specific size for each item. I do have like every item from Louis Vuitton with exactly for like they shape dust bag, and I so much like it. Even my strap has its own dust bag. So much like how it looks and feels. Okay, so, and this is the item itself. Look, this is it. Look how cute it is. So I got this in Damier, not for because I so much want exactly this one. I wanted any of them free, maybe all three together if I could, but I got this one because it's the only one that was available, and I was able to add it in my bag right away. So, but actually I super much like happy about it because I have Speedy 25 in the same Damier Ebene. So this is like a matching set now, and this is amazing. Okay, let's see how it's inside. So this is how it's look closely, and it's very light and very like soft and small, and so much like it. I used to think that it was like a keychain kinda, and this is supposed to be super small and not like fit anything. It what I like thought of it, but when I actually were able to see it in person and realize it's actually quite big, and it's actually just real wallet kind of stuff, like card holder. Okay, so inside it still has some information. It says coated fabric, calf leather interior lining, and it's called PO Cles Damier Ibin. Okay, and it's very roomy, as you can see, very much. Okay, let's see what it says here. I'm sure. Okay, from that side, yes, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Okay, I got the item that is made in France, which is cool. Actually, I don't really care if it's made in France, Spain, or US. Like, sometimes I see people care much about it, but I don't. It's still the same Louis Vuitton and the same perfect quality. I don't see a difference. I have some items like Speedy that is made in US, another Speedy made in France, so basically it's all the same for me. Okay, so this is a very nice gold shade here, like antique gold. I mean, it's classy Louis Vuitton, they all the same. And this one is different. This is like shiny gold, very nice, and it's actually very good holding thing, because then you just open it like this and put your like whatever keys or whatever you need to put there, and then you close it. It's really locks, and it really locks very well, so you're not gonna lose your stuff. And let's see what it actually can fit here. So I got like 10 credit cards. I don't really usually like take 10 credit cards with me, but I just got all this bunch of credit cards and some store cards just to see how it's gonna fit inside this pouch. So, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. Some of these cards, they even much like a little bit more wider than usual credit card, because they like store cards or something. So, but basically it's 10 cards here, and it still has like plenty rooms left, so you can put like more cards. I'm pretty much sure if you need to put about like 5, 7, 5, 10 more, it will easily can be added there. So, and it's closed very nicely. You don't see any bobs here, so it's super nice. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it as a key holder, because when you put keys here or some like anything, it's gonna scratch all this nice gold hardware that I don't want to scratch. But I do want to use it as a little wallet for my Speedy. Okay, so as for the price, I got it for $270, and with taxes and all these things, for New York State it was $293. And as well, likely it still costs $270 when I see it online, because Louis Vuitton last week increased their prices, but it didn't affect this one, as I can see. Alright, so thank you so much for unpacking and reviewing this amazing little wallet with me, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. And I will post more videos, and some upcoming videos I'm going to be from clothing stuff, like some Balenciaga sweatshirt and Versace, and some Burberry, and some of them kids stuff that I'm trying for myself, like for example, like this t-shirt that was from kids section, 12 plus years old, from Givenchy, and it's perfectly for me, like completely perfect. So, and I'm gonna post more videos, then I'm trying all this clothing and unboxing all these different luxury items. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.